worth painting on good quality surfaces. Even if your idea doesn't work, you can always paint over it and the quality surface won't bend or fray or fall apart with the new painting. With a quality surface, if the painting is successful on the second or third attempt, or even the 10th attempt, you've got a quality painting to frame up for exhibiting. Don't ever throw any paintings out that are painted on a surface that can be painted over. It's such a joy to rework or completely reinvent a work that you weren't happy with the first time around. I don't know a single artist who doesn't rework or even completely repaint old paintings from time to time. Everything painted can be repainted, and everything painted except lumps can be completely erased with paint. Lumps of paint can be removed with sandpaper. It takes some effort to remove lumps, so unless you're very confident with where your lumps of paint are going to sit at the finish, I suggest you avoid making them until the finish. So put your old works, unfinished works and failures aside for reworking later. Let them be stored for months or even years, building yourself a collection of surfaces to paint on when you are inspired to do so.